Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to sell USDT on Binance application. Selling USDT via P2P. Now, first of all, you have to log in into Binance application or website. After that, you have to access the P2P trading. From your Binance homepage, navigate to the P2P section by selecting it from your menu. Right now, I am in the Binance main tab. Now from here, just hover on the trade, you will get to see this P2P. As you can see here, just click on that. Now click on the sell. Right now I am in the buyer section. Just simply, as you can see here, just click on the sell. From here, you will get to see all of the buyers. Now, from here, you have to choose the USDT. As you can see, I have already chosen the USDT. Now, in the currency list, select the USDT as the asset you want to sell. Now, find your buyer. Browse the buyers through available buyers, filter based on your preferred payment method and amount range. Now, input sale details. Click on the buyers. As you can, if I click on this sell USDT, these are all buyers. So just simply click on whatever you found good for you. Just simply click on the sell USDT. Right now I have to complete my KYC, but after clicking on this, you will have to input sale details. Click on the buyers that matches your criteria, enter the amount USDT you want to sell and review their terms. Now once you agree with the buyer's terms, click on the sell USDT and follow any additional instruction provided by Binance to complete the transaction. Now receive payment. After the confirming the sale, wait for payment from the buyer in your chosen method before releasing your USDT from escrow. So this is how you can sell USDT on Binance.